Isak. I'm not going to do the demo, but I think it's really important for the participant to understand that there are two different drill systems, and I'll make it super quick so that we can move along. So one drill system is a high-speed drill system. Can you guys see that? Can you zoom in here? On this, what the drill looks like here? Where's the camera? Yeah, okay. So this is a high-speed drill systems, and this is the shaver system here. So one's more bulkier than the other, right? So this is a high torque system. So the torque on this thing is about 50 Newton centimeters, whereas the RPM is about 8,000. Whereas high-speed drill system here is about 5 Newton centimeters, and it has 80,000 RPM. So RPM is 10 times quicker on this, but this is more bulkier, like a truck or a tank, and because they have more torque too, right? So I think personally, I think it's better paired if you have a high torque system. Pairing this with the side cutting burr, in my opinion, if you're having trouble, speeding up with that, there are different options for these drills. Okay. Another benefit of these type of shaver system is if you look at the end, there is a suction
Maybe
system.
Maybe zoom out a little bit.
Yeah, we can keep it zoomed out. There's a suction system here. So, with the high-speed drill system that I usually pair with the diamond burr, the bone dust kind of goes everywhere. So tactile feedback and the sound is very important. But with the side cutting burr, you're not going to fight as much of a bone dust because you can also attach the suction here. And there are different options. If you have a big stenosis scope, you can fit through different attachments like a bigger drill bit. In this case is a 5mm drill bit. With the transforaminal attachment, which is like in this case, it fits through a smaller transforaminal scope like that. But this spins at about 20,000 RPM because it's more of a delicate system. So, in my opinion, I don't think one's better than the other. I personally like this better because it's lighter and easier to grab. There's not much weight at the end, but you do have to fight through the bone dust. Whereas the shaver system, it's a little bit heavy, but you can put a side cutting burr if you want to maximize its characteristics of having a high torque system. So that's my advice to you to speed things up. Okay, so high speed diamond torque system, maybe cutting burr. Consider that. Thanks.
Thank you, Pat. That was very helpful. And I think one thing sometimes you can do for the really high speed drills, if there's too much bone debris, you could just lower the RPM, and that does help a little bit. And obviously, suction is very important. You can also pulse the suction, like in orthopedics. You can pulse suction.
Especially when you're close to the door, it makes sense to, Especially close to the door, it makes sense to reduce the RPMs. Otherwise, the diamond drill bit is more forgiving, and the cutter is more aggressive towards the door. So that's why it's shielded. I think both of them have pros and cons.
You're not going to do anything?
Oh.
But I think in the lab you can actually.
Oh my God! Look at this scope. I guess this